Behind these walls, rocks worth pennies become bars worth millions. This is one of the world's...
Before we can refine gold, we need to understand what we're working with. Gold doesn't come in shiny nuggets. It's trapped inside rock at the molecular level. Every batch that enters this facility gets tested. Samples are taken, crushed, and analyzed to determine exact gold content.
Step 1. Break it down. These jaw crushers can pulverize rocks the size of refrigerators. The ore passes through multiple crushing stages. Now for the real grinding. Inside these rotating drums are thousands of steel balls, each weighing several kilograms.
We can capture some gold using physics. These centrifugal concentrators spin the slurry at high speed, pinning the heavy gold particles to the walls. Here's where chemistry takes over. The remaining ore goes into these enormous tanks and gets mixed with a weak sodium cyanide. Here's where chemistry takes over. The remaining ore goes into these enormous tanks and gets mixed with a weak sodium cyanide solution.
We need to separate dissolved gold from the liquid. Gold sticks to carbon like a magnet. We add the carbon directly to the slurry, let it mix for hours.
Time to strip the gold back out of the carbon. The loaded carbon goes into pressurized columns and gets blasted with a hot caustic solution at
the concentrated eluate flows through electrowinning cells. When we pass electricity through the solution, gold atoms are attracted to the negative cathode, steel wool.
Incidents. This is where things get hot, literally 1200 degrees Celsius. The gold precipitate goes into an induction furnace. To reach investment-grade purity, 99.99% or better, we use electrolysis. Doré bars.
We're almost done. The pure gold sheets go into a final melt at 1100 degrees. This ensures complete homogeneity.
Every single bar gets tested. We use fire assay, the same method used for thousands of years, combined with modern spectrometry.
And here's where it all ends up. Hundreds of millions of dollars of pure gold, waiting to be shipped to central banks,